last one. So you can see it's not running. What we're gonna do is check. We're gonna check for standing pressure. Standing pressure should be equal to what running pressure should be provided, pretty much. Almost got them all. Good thing about this house, the way it's designed, all the alliances are right by each other, so it's an easy service. So let's just take a picture of that real quick. So I'm pressing the screenshot button. I'm hoping it's actually working. That's the purpose of the only button right there. Should be working. This is just doing it without a fuss. Alright, let's check for standing pressure. Now when the system is sitting about an hour or so, freon be kind of heavy on both sides, so we don't play it right. So we had 164 under 235. So if you give 64 to 36, you have 300, right? And then you have 100. So that's good. And then the heat, the pressure will add about another maybe 10 to 15 psi. So yeah, that's perfect. All right. All right, we'll check for capacitance real quick. So remember always to discharge that capacitor, man. Don't be a fool. See what the fuck I mean? Woo! Did you see that? Woo! Woo! It'll do that sometimes when there ain't no power in it too. Not no joke. Not no joke. Not no joke. I wonder if y'all saw that. So, one more time. So this is just gonna check. This is just a capacitor, single phase. So it says it's supposed to have 40 microfarads plus or minus 5%. So it's about like 2, something like that. 2 or 3. So it's 43.8, so that's fine. Alright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hook back up the high voltage. And I'm getting some kind of holding charge. So it's full, so like a battery. It's supposed to hold charge and give it when it's needed. So now we're gonna check for voltage. Just wanna see if we got our 240 going on. So all we wanna see. Yep, we got 240 going in. Remember this thing crack over. You know, we don't let it happen naturally though. But so it's good. On to the next. Okay. So everything's back together. High voltage is in. Gonna put our electrical cover back on. So we're up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and write up my report. You know, everything we saw today, everything y'all saw today, we're gonna get this thing up. I pray so heavenly Father until next time. Just